O Mnemosyne, goddess of memory and learning, mighty Zeus sent me to you. He said you, of all the gods, would teach me well.
You spoke with Zeus himself? You're in the right place, Leo, for here you learn everything data.
Everything data? All of it?
All of it, Leo. SQL, data modeling, ETL and ELT, data architecture, data apps, plus the supporting arts. AI, database admin basics, sysadmin basics. Yes, a bit of Linux.
Even a touch of Linux? You really do mean everything.
And every one of them is timeless, Leo. The same skills data people used 50 years ago and will still use 50 years from now. DataPallas is where you learn them all. Hear me, Leo. DataPallas is not just a great BI data platform, it is also a data learning forge.
Everyone says AI changes everything, that learning data is harder than ever. Where should a beginner even start?
Begin with the fundamentals, Leo, and begin right here, with me. But first, tell me what's holding you back.
My company is, how do I say this politely, as open to new tools as a stone tablet is to a software update.
Ah, the conservative organizations. Fear not, Leo. I honor them. Hear me. DataPallas is a powerful data and BI platform, ready for even your most ambitious data needs. And we respect that other fine BI tools exist, and that some won't switch. That is their choice. But listen carefully. Nothing stops you from using DataPallas as your secret data weapon. You'll learn, prototype, and ship before your manager finishes scheduling the requirements workshop.
Prototype? On my own laptop? Without waiting 3 weeks for access to the corporate data warehouse?
Exactly. Spin up any database instantly, seeded with realistic sample data. Northwind awaits. Let me show you. Pick a starter pack, and DataPallas spins up a real database in seconds. Postgres, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, ClickHouse, and more, seeded with realistic sample data like Northwind, ready to query right away. No DBA, no waiting.
Hold on, what is this Northwind actually? Zeus kept mentioning it.
A classic sample business database, Leo. Customers, orders, products, suppliers. Microsoft made it famous decades ago, and it quietly became the standard for learning SQL. And here's the secret. You don't learn SQL by watching. You can binge 1,000 Learn SQL Fast videos and still freeze at a blank query editor. The cure isn't video 1001. It's writing real queries on real data until it's second nature. That's the gift of Northwind, a production-like database, real business data, ready for you to practice on.
So Northwind gives me a real database full of real business data. Everything I need to practice my data skills on.
Exactly, Leo. For most of your learning, Northwind is all you need. But sometimes you'll want a bit more, different data or even your own custom data. DataPallas thought of that too. Add, change, or build brand new tables. Here, the seed data screen. Go beyond the samples. Model your own custom schema and fill it with realistic, lifelike data, exactly what you need to prototype your own solution. Tap, "Hey AI, help me," and AI writes the seed script for you.
Wow, so useful. But wait, I see it needs a script for the data. Do I have to code for this?
Not unless you truly want to, Leo. Wherever code or SQL is needed, DataPallas gives you a "Hey AI, help me" button, a pattern you'll see everywhere. AI writes it in moments, you just guide it.
Wait, now I'm a little puzzled. You tell me to learn SQL and all things data, yet "Hey AI, help me" is everywhere. Why work so hard to learn if AI just does it for me?
Because AI only serves those who grasp the fundamentals, Leo. Guide it blindly and you build junk, fast. At the speed of AI, the fundamentals matter more, not less. Learn them, then guide AI to build the meaningful things faster.
Okay, I get it. As AI writes our app's code at the speed of thought, the world will finally see what was always true. Data is everything. And suddenly everyone will pose as a data specialist. But not all of them will be needed. Only the real data experts survive, the ones who put in the effort to learn it the hard way.
Yes, Leo, exactly that. But enough theorizing. Let me show you more. You started the Northwind PostgreSQL pack. Here's how you connect to it. Enter the connection details once. Host, port, user, and DataPallas links straight to the Northwind PostgreSQL you just started. Connected in seconds. And here's the beautiful part, Leo. That same keep learning spirit doesn't stop at the fundamentals. This database connection screen lives it too. Only here it isn't theory. It's about learning your own data as deeply as you possibly can. Every tool on this screen exists for one purpose: to help you learn your data. First, DataPallas auto-discovers your database schema, so you learn your database inside out. And a little secret, this same map later helps AI write spot-on SQL for you. A giant ERP can hold 1,000 tables. Overwhelming. So DataPallas groups related tables into business domains with AI's help. Suddenly, the giant is approachable. Then the ER diagram, your tables and how they connect, drawn for you with AI. The shape of your data at a glance. And there's more, Leo. Define a ubiquitous language for your data, or open Chat2DB and simply talk to your database, live, with AI. Wonderful things become possible. And imagine it, Leo. You understand your data as no one else does, and you wield all of this.
Then nothing could stop me from building wonderful business data solutions.
Now you truly see it, Leo.
Wait, Mnemosyne, confession. These tools are so good, it's almost unfair. Anyone could grab DataPallas and ship great solutions. So why even sweat over the fundamentals? Will I just waste my time learning SQL?
Let me answer with a question, Leo. Did you know young Schumacher was obsessed with mechanics? As a boy, he'd take his cart apart and rebuild it piece by piece. Do you think that learning the basics helped him later? Of course it did. It's the same for you, Leo. Your deep knowledge always wins. You'll be Schumacher in a Ferrari. The others just buy the same Ferrari and crash it on the very first corner.
Mnemosyne, I get your point, but I don't want to be Schumacher. I love football. I want to be Messi.
Then so you shall. Master the fundamentals, Leo, and you'll be the Messi, the Leo Messi of data and DataPallas. Let me show you something you'll need, Leo. Cloud Beaver, a wonderfully handy database tool you'll reach for again and again, running your SQL as you learn and far beyond. Whenever you touch a database, it's right there. Cloud Beaver is a web database workbench, like pgadmin, MySQL Workbench, SQL Server Management Studio, or Oracle SQL Developer, but one tool for every engine. Start it from the Apps tab, no separate install. Creating a connection is simple. Point Cloud Beaver at our Northwind PostgreSQL with these details, and you're connected. The same form speaks MySQL, Oracle, and more. Write your first SQL query, then run it, and here's the result: the number of customers that come preloaded with Northwind. So, Leo, once you know your data inside and out, you can build queries, ETL scripts, dashboards, cron jobs, even full database apps at the speed of thought.
Apps, you said. Real applications, not just queries?
Yes, Leo, database apps. A good database deserves a good app to make it shine, and together we'll build many of them. You could call them prototypes. But your prototypes will be so polished your manager will ask, "Are you sure this is only a prototype?"
And I'll smile and say, yes. And I built it before you finished clarifying what you wanted. But if I build a prototype in DataPallas, how do I move it to our old BI system?
Why would you move it? I was joking, Leo. I haven't forgotten your conservative company, and it's easy to move. SQL is SQL, ETL is ETL, data patterns are universal. And the few DataPallas-specific scripts? Just ask an LLM for the legacy Tool X equivalent. It will translate it in seconds. No manual code rewrite needed.
So even if my company refuses to modernize, I can still modernize myself?
Precisely. Some even take a middle path. Keep the legacy BI for customer-facing dashboards and use DataPallas for internal projects. Because, let us be honest, DataPallas is too good to be ignored.
But Mnemosyne, what about AI? Everyone says AI will replace us all.
AI replaces only those who fight it, Leo. DataPallas offers a "Hey AI, help me" button wherever any code or script is expected. And our Chat2DB is so powerful it almost feels like cheating.
So picture it. Me, a data ninja wielding AI as my sharpest blade. Who would dare try to replace me then? Speaking of AI, is it actually safe to use inside DataPallas? My company is terrified of AI seeing our business data.
Tell your company this. In DataPallas, AI never sees your actual data. It receives only the minimum metadata. Table names, column names, nothing more. You get the benefits of AI without paying the security cost. Even the most cautious CIO would nod approvingly.
Mnemosyne! Incredible. DataPallas lets me learn, prototype, and grow, even if my company stays in the past.
Yes, Leo. DataPallas is your forge, your dojo, your secret advantage. Use it to learn, to build, to become the DataZeus of your company. Trust me, as AI writes more and more app code, one great data mind would soon be worth 10 app developers.
Then guide me, goddess. Where should I begin my journey?
Begin with the foundations. Learn SQL deeply, study data modeling, practice ETL and ELT. And use DataPallas every day. Prototype boldly, experiment freely, learn relentlessly. Do this, and one day you will not just be Leo the curious mortal. You will be Leo the data sage.